it with y'all. If my head is cut out, the frame, I'm sorry. I know y'all want to see my beautiful face, but I got the Ionvac. I paid, I want to say, close to $25 after taxes. So I'm gonna show y'all the unboxing. But I gotta split it up. So what you getting? 2 attachments. One long one. I'm gonna be using that one the most because I'm gonna be using this mainly for our cars. You get 1 long attachment and then 1 shorter one with like the scrubby brush type of end to it. You get a user manual. Nobody using that. Throw that right back in the box. Because what we came for is right here. And I already, I had just hit the button one time just to make sure that it was all good. And it's pretty loud. It's not like it's crazy loud or anything, but it's loud enough to make you be like, oh wow. That should definitely, if it's that loud, then it should definitely be, I ain't trying to sound weird. I don't know the proper term. A lot of suction force. So you also got a USBC charger to USB. I believe that's USB-C. I don't want this thing to fall over. Yeah, I think that is USB-C. I don't use USB-C like that, so I don't know. I think it is though. This is not gonna be your standard, regular. It's gonna be super ghetto. So you got your stand. Well, I wouldn't say ghetto, I'm just gonna say raw. I like my footage to be raw. 1 take. I don't like I mean, it's nice and all, so you know, edit and stuff like that, but man, I go to school, and school is enough editing to my life already. So, vacuum, it's real dope. I like the way that it is. It's really light. It's probably like, I don't know, maybe like 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds, maybe. But y'all can see, lock or unlock, lock to take this off. I'm gonna go over I think that's 1 mode, as y'all can hear. It's decently loud. It's not like crazy loud. And then that's the loudest or most powerful mode. It's pretty powerful. Like my finger. And then the 3rd one, you press it 3 times and then it's off. But I'm just giving y'all an unboxing video, showing y'all what it's looking like. I'm not doing a review in this video. I'm gonna save that for another video. A little tag at the bottom. 5 volts, 2 amps. Lithium ion battery, yada yada yada. Like I said, I didn't look at no directions. I just opened this thing up. The filter, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can clean this filter. This one's like the intakes that I got on my car right now. Cleanable. I like it. And it's black too, so it's not gonna show dirt and be all nasty like how a white would. And it has a suction ring on the inside. Hope y'all seeing that well. Just the filter on the inside, super simple. And then just the motor back here with the battery. And this is the, what is it called? The air filter, basically, where it sucks in the air from the outside. And then that's where you plug it in at. There's notches, raw and unedited. Like I said, this is my first time using this. Come on, man. It's like Legos, bro. It only goes one way. Here we go. So there's 3 notches for you to line this cup up with. Nothing crazy. The stand sits in the stand just like this, with the charger face towards the outside, so you can charge it, of course. And you just plug it in. It doesn't come with the plug that goes into the wall. I can't remember what that thing is called. Yeah, it doesn't come with that. I cannot remember what that thing is called. But if y'all want to see just how well it functions, stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna film that after I film this one, of course, and then I probably won't upload it like right after, or I may or may not, maybe a day or two. Here's a closer look at that other attachment. I'm gonna just stick them on, show y'all how it works. Nothing crazy, super simple, as y'all can see. I'm learning to just not worry about other people, just mind my own business. I'm on Fort Lee right now, in Virginia. Military brat, I am. Proud to say so. And the extension, which is the one that, like I said, I'll probably be using the most, unless I like the other one. But yeah, we'll back up on y'all. I'm not sure if I'm too close to the camera or not, but super simple. Like I said, one low mode has has 2 white LEDs. And then up, one more, and then one more to off. So it's super simple. $20. They it was almost like they tried to hide them, because you know how the stores do. Because this is not, I ain't never heard of no Ionvac. I just seen it on eBay the other day, and I was just like, I want that. I mean, I've been meaning to buy a cordless vacuum for a while, but I just never did it, so I don't have to, you know, pay while washing the car, or worry about it, or having to go somewhere to vacuum out my car, or pay somebody to do it. But yeah, like I said, it looked like they tried to hide it, because I went to look for it, and of course it was all the way at the bottom. All the way at the bottom. They love to do that. With any non-major brands, stores, I mean, it's more convenient for everybody else, because they have like Bissell and all those other brands, Dirt Devil and stuff like that, Dyson up at the top, front and center. But just a little look at the outside of the box before I let y'all go. Rechargeable, lightweight, dry, home model. I will definitely be giving a review. If y'all stay tuned and want to see that video, subscribe, like, share, comment. 2 times for suction. Compact and lightweight. Small in size, big in power. Okay, we have to test that out though. I don't know about dog hair. I don't know. I don't have a dog, and I've never vacuumed up dog hair, but I know that like some dogs, hair sticks way worse than other dogs' hair. Let y'all see that a little bit closer before I finally let y'all go. I done said that probably 3 or 4 times. I don't even know. But nothing crazy. $25. I'll just round up and say it was 25. We'll see if it's worth it. Peace.